Hi everyone. Let's look into the Android app development. Right. Where to study Android app development? The Google way, and online for free with certification in 2019. It comes as a story, and there's two questions with it. The first question probably is where to study the Android app development the Google way in 2019, and the second one is where to study Android app development online for free with certification in 2019. There is few possibilities, but there were not too many when I started out. That's why I probably wanted to break it down, and I'm just going to quickly start with where to study Android app development online for free with certification in 2019. Right, so Udemy, this is my favorite learning platform, and it's super fantastic. It's good. It has everything in it. If you just go to the categories, and then you have all these things listed down: development and mobile apps. Okay, we can seek out the Android development here. Okay, here we go. So it has a whole thing a lot of here. The course is as cheap as €10, which is which is really affordable. If you just want to start out and see and find for yourself what's gonna be, then just type in Android development and seek out the free courses. It has free courses for every single subject, and some of the free ones are really actually very good quality. The instructors here are paid for the courses they submit, so they kind of make money out of it. They do actually, so they put some effort extra and everything like this. And we go for free here. If we go under the subjects, 846. Under development is 846 courses for free. If you apply the filters, so it's free here, and they're actually really good quality. And at the end of it, so I have two now going on. I was struggling with this because I wanted to get some certification. I wasn't sure if I'm gonna get into this. Put in thousands and thousands of dollars or euro, but here we go. So this is the one I'm taking now, and I really love it. The quality is superb. The knowledge given is superb, and it has hundreds of it for free. So, and at the end of it, of course, you have a certification for it. So of course there's courses on YouTube, there's courses, there are videos about development, but getting some proof of participation is actually always good. Right, so this was the first question, and the second question comes as a story, and it's going to be where to study Android app development the Google way in 2019. Okay, so what happened to me was it comes as a story. So I was doing one of the free courses with Google. They have two of them. I did the Google Digital Garage. It is all about online search engine optimization, basically. Very creative business at own, with flexible personal trainings to business succeed. So basically, yeah, you're making your website known on the Google search engine, then you get the certification for it. So I went for it, and it took me a while and everything. It's free online course. I have another video about the free courses from Google and other courses you can take. And what happened next was I got one of these. So I got the Online Marketing Fundamentals certificate for that. So I sat down, I did it. Somebody can make it very much faster than I did. My job didn't allow me, my personal life didn't allow me to actually go and dig it and just kill it in a couple of days, but you can do it. So I get this certification, and you wonder why is it actually coming up. because right after that I had an email, like after a couple of months, or actually longer than that, and they said, would you like to study actually Android app development? And of course, yeah, Google owns the Android. It uses the kernel of Linux for running the hardware, but everything else is Google and Android and the phones, and it's the biggest platform in the world now at the moment, and you're making applications for it. And I was like, yeah, well, I'll fill out the application form, and I didn't really think much of it. I didn't actually think it's gonna get me anywhere. But after a while, I got this email here. It says AU scholarship and under scholarship, and the okay, that's and the Udacity comes up, and I was like, wow, who is this? What is this? I didn't even know the Udemy there, but I was like, okay, so I'm a recipient and I can actually do the course, and I was like, yeah, let's do this. So I did the course. I got pretty far till the second stage, and the third one was the final one, but I was so maxed out I didn't actually go for it. But then I started to actually seek out the certification, because I invested like 3 months for it, and it took me lots of free time, and I didn't have much of free time. I was working on a cruise ship, I was working split shifts every day, I was working like, I have 2-3 hour breaks in the middle, 4-hour breaks, and I used them for this, and I didn't use them for going out or anything like that. So it took me a while. So when you ever go for the Google Android certification, you thought like, yeah, well, they might have actually a free course as well, but not just yet. They have 2. So check out my channel, Bruno-Tech.com, sorry, Bruno-Tech, and then you can see the other free courses from Google. They're making a big progress. They're making it really good. And I thought this might be the same case, but okay, so whenever you type in the Google Android certification, you come up to Google Developers Certification website. It has listed all the courses, and there's only 2 of them which are free, which is good, but unfortunately this one is not yet. Okay, so you get the certification from Google, right? From web development, from Android app development, and your face is gonna come up here if you're certified, which is super awesome. And I was like going for that. I was taking this course. Okay, so what do you want to learn? Under app development, it's the Google Developers Training website, not training, it's the whole thing, the developers, and right, you have all these subjects and everything, and Android is one of the first ones. They did get into the web development, but Android development, of course, belongs to them, the whole thing. So you have all these things here. You have the bootcamp, the Kotlin. This is another programming language after the Java. It uses 2. It uses the Android XML, and it uses the Java. And then you have development skills, the program, and then you can then choose the course. And so yeah, it took me to Udemy first, and now I'm at the Google website, and I thought it's gonna, yeah, well, I'm just gonna finish it after a while, and you know what, I'm gonna go back to it, which would be a good use of my time, because at the very beginning I didn't do it. But still, whatever you're gonna click here, all these courses, they're gonna take you back to Udemy, which is not the worst thing there is. Android Basics User Interface by Google, so they actually work with them, and Google actually makes these courses. And right, so Udemy certification is going to give you a nano degree, which doesn't make any sense to me, unfortunately, because there's certificates, there are diplomas, there are associate degrees, there's Bachelor of Science. Associate Android developer, sign up, get certified. So this is still actually the Google, and then you go to Google certification, and this is what happens. So Google does give the certification. It's here. It does cost $150 US, and oh yeah, so has nothing to do with Udemy, and Google does their own certification, and it's slightly tough. You have to do one-on-one interview and all these things, and submit the subjects. But the subjects you're going to be submitting are mainly for the Udemy. But it's not all bad. So this is the Udemy. It's a learning platform. You need to pay for it. And all the courses are like, oh yeah, they work with all these companies and everything, because the learning platform is actually great. But the thing with that, so this is the one I got. So it's got a scholarship from Europe for the beginning courses and everything. It's not bad. I didn't finish it. I didn't get past the 3rd level. But there are free courses as well, and even like HTML, CSS, like all the basic courses you want to do, or you want to go slightly bit. It's not going to be the full course of Android basics and everything, but it's going to give you like something for free. It's not, you're not going to receive any certification for that, but it's still good. So the Google way is they do the courses with Udacity, excuse me, my mistake, and you follow them through and everything. If you go for a scholarship, I did not finish it, but then you need to go back to the Google itself, and then you just need to go and actually finish the course with them. So this is the exam, but this is the way to learn as the Google way, because the Google works with Udacity. They do the courses, they produce the courses, you go on their platform, they have a big exposure and everything. So this is practically the best way to go for it. So if you like touch something like of web development and you want to go further in Java, not JavaScript but Java, then probably this is the best. Well, this is the Google way, and so far it's been so far. That's how it is. It's a bit smaller niche than actually web development or app development or even the gaming. So it's like phone development. There are cross-platform things with iOS and everything, and learning languages and all these other ones. But this is the Google way. So far is this what it is. They've done some effort actually to put some people forward and put them interested in actually developing Android apps on their own, not being even in programming at all. But if you want to proceed this way, so you probably want to start with Udemy and just try yourself out, and then see if you want to be certified, because it's not much. It's like $150, like $150. It could be worse. It's very much. The Microsoft have their own the certification, and Google has certification for the web development and everything, and Udacity is there for the courses. So if you want to follow with Udacity, or if you want to get lucky like I was, like going with the free online course, doing the Google Digital Garage, or they actually have the Ads Academy. So it's only 2 of them, those free and certified. If you want to go for them, and then like expect to get the email from Google saying it's like, you want to apply, and then you want to get like email like this saying, oh yeah, you've been accepted for the scholarship, and you want to go ahead and do it and get it all from them. Didn't say nothing about paying $150, just getting to certification from Google with the Google on it, like this one here. But yeah, so they work with Udacity. These are the courses from Google. They make them, and if you want to be certified and go for Android app development, this is the way to go. Thank you so much for tuning in, and any updates and everything more, new information comes up and everything, which I'm still going in. I'm still going for the Android app developer certification. I'm back to it now, so I'm gonna keep you updated and take a new video, or maybe just redo this one and get it updated, the new one version for you guys to tune in. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you soon.